Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a maintenance vlog. I'm going to be doing my own manicure and I'm getting my pedicure done at like a professional salon. Yeah, so right now I just hopped out the shower. That's why I'm ashy. I did my body care, but my face is actually, I'm about to do my skincare. This is actually going to be my first maintenance vlog. And I just kind of felt like it. I was due to get my lashes redone anyways. It's crazy because I booked to get a refill, but child, I got like 1, 2, 3. Barely any lashes left. I think I might just get a whole new fresh set. So I'm just going in, doing my skincare right now. I'm about to do my hair. So my hair is already technically done. I just wanted to like clean up and fix the edges, and then I was gonna put some curls in it, which is gonna be really cute. I got this new curling iron. I think it's a Conair curling iron. It's like the big barrel too. It's like the 1.5 barrel, which I've been wanting to curl my hair. So that's gonna be really nice. Hopefully it comes out good. I think it will. I think I'm getting better at like doing hair and stuff. You guys can check out my install for this hair. It should be out before this comes out. So I'm gonna be doing my manicure, which I'm a little nervous because I haven't done my nails in probably, I was gonna say 2 years, but last year, me and my friends and my sister took a trip to Portugal, and I did my nails the night before. They were so busted and crusty. Like, it was so bad. Literally what happened was I hadn't touched my nail stuff in over 2 years, which is crazy because I love doing nails and I love like just nails overall. But the job that I had for like 2 years at that time, it just wasn't gonna be a fit because the way I like my nails long and real like extra, not all the time, but at the time I used to like my nails really long and extra. I like worked in a group home. There was no way I was gonna be out here wiping yash with long nails. My friend, please, that was not gonna happen. So I hadn't done my nails in like 2 years at that point, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do my nails for this trip. Child, why literally the night before, I stayed up the entire night to do my nails, and it still came out looking so crazy and bad. Like, it was to the point where I didn't even take pictures of it because it looked so bad. So first off, my nail glue that I had was 2 years old. That thing dried up by itself while still closed and everything. It dried up. So I had to use like rhinestone gel to literally glue my tips on, which took forever. By the time I did all that curing, my fingers was ringing, child. Like, it was way too much UV for my itty bitty fingers. I don't know, I hadn't done it in 2 years, so it was really bad. Like, application was bad. I don't know if it was just the acrylic powder I used, if it was like a fast setting one, but I'm gonna be doing my nails for the first time since that happened, which was in September last year. But I like doing my nails. I can't remember the last time I was in like a professional nail salon. Not because like I have anything against nail salons. I think nail salons are great. I go there to like get my pedis done. It's just, I feel like every time back in the day when I used to go to nail salons, I would leave like super irritated because half the time my nails wouldn't come out the way I wanted. And on top of that, it would be expensive. So I'm sitting here like I spent all this money for it to not even look the way I wanted. I'd rather just do it at home. If I mess it up, the only person gonna be mad at is myself. I can't sit there and be like, oh, well, I paid all this money and this person did that. I'm writing this review and this and the third now. I'm like almost done. I just went in with some essence. Or this hair I did a couple days ago. No, it's actually been like 6 days. So I used the even spray, so it's coming up right now. I'm about to like fix it, refresh it, and I'm about to curl it. It's gonna be so cute. Okay, so my lash appointment is at 3, and it's like, I think it's like 10 something right now. So that gives me like a little over 4 hours to see if I can finish my nails. I don't think I'm gonna finish them, but we're gonna try, because after that is when I'm gonna have to schedule, like, this place is book only, I think. So depending on how long my lashes take and depending on how long or when this place closes, I might do my pedicure today, or I could just do it tomorrow. But I low-key got like something I gotta do tomorrow, but we'll see. Hopefully I can do all this today. And it's really not a whole lot, but my ADHD like low-key inhibits me from being able to be super duper duper productive and do multiple things in the day. But we're not gonna put that into the air, babes. We're gonna sit there and we're gonna actually get done, okay? Yeah, going in with some bio oil. I love bio oil. My skincare don't come together until I feel like I use this. And I need to start using some vitamin C oil. No, vitamin E oil. I used to use vitamin E oil back in the day, but I like ran out and never got any, like a new like bottle, but it's so fire. It was so good for my skin. Had me glowing. I had like no blemishes or dark marks at the time. All done. All right, I'm about to get into this hair. Maybe. All right, so I'm done with my hair. Trying to stand on my tippy toes so y'all can see. Purr. I think it came out pretty good. The curls really, a lot of them fell, but that's okay. I'm about to probably just put a couple more curls in it just to try to give it a bit of a hold. But overall, I think it came out really good. I am not gonna have time to do my manicure right now, so I'm about to just head over to the nail salon that I usually go to get my pedicure done. Yeah, so hopefully I can get that done in time, and then I can just head over to my lash appointment.
1 hour later.
I'm back in the house. I got pizza. Ooh. All right, y'all, so I'm back in the house. I've been here for probably an hour now. I was supposed to be doing my manicure. I might start, I have work at 10, so I don't want to start and don't finish, but I feel like I got about 2 hours, so part of me is like, I might as well start. Yeah, I got about it on, I forgot. So I'm in the house, so my curls dropped, but I was able to pick up a roller set, so I'm gonna roll my hair. I have something or somewhere I'm going tomorrow, so I'm gonna do that probably before I leave. But yeah, I'm about to start working on my manicure. So see y'all in a little bit.
So before actually starting my manicure, I just went in and swatched a bunch of different nudes and clears because I was looking for the perfect base for this French tip look that y'all are about to see. So that's what I was doing in this clip. Yep, so this is pretty much it for my maintenance vlog. If you made it all the way to the end, you are a real one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!